Ram, Ravid, why aren't you in your costume?
Oh, Sita, not only are we not in costume, but Ram and Ravan entered from the same side of the stage. Ever seen that before, guys?
Hello.
Tell me what? Someone pregnant or something?
No, Sita. It's way more complicated than that. Our play had to be aborted.
Ta-da.
So wait, I'm not Sita anymore?
Why do you want to be somebody else anyway?
Maybe you just hate yourself way too much. Guys, if the Indian Student Association would have given us 5 more minutes, then we wouldn't have to deal with this girl's tantrums. Ravan, what was the point of keeping her as Sita in the play when, as the director of finance, she couldn't sneak a couple of $1 million, yet alone 5 measly minutes?
Okay, enough, guys. People are gonna start throwing shoes at us.
Nobody is going to throw shoes at us.
Hey guys, I don't care if they throw anything at you. The show must go on. Like, this is not okay. It should go on right now.
Okay.
Ravan, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Wait. So, if Dinchak Pooja was dating our cultural secretary Alfie, what would she sing?
Oh, wait.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Alfie Manelelian, Alfie Manelelian.
But I guess he has a point, so hello.
Namaste.
Salaam alaikum.
Asriyakal.
Kem cho?
Konnichiwa.
Ni hao ma.
And so on and so on. Hi everybody. I'm supposed to be Ram, but everybody over here calls me Adi.
And I'm Ravan, but people call me Amit.
Wait. Who's Amit?
Moon. She.
Munshi.
Yeah, and everyone here knows me as Sita, but I think my parents call me Isha. And we here are going to make up for
Ramayan!
Okay, so today is going to be super simple. Just because we can't have Ramayan doesn't mean Ram and Ravan can't compete for, well, me. Like, let's be honest. Okay, so what we're going to do today is Comedy Wars. We're going to have 3 rounds, and in each round, these 2 boys get the chance to wow us with their funniness. And at the end of each round, whoever has the most points at the end is our winner. Super simple, right guys?
Oh, very simple.
Okay, so let's start with round 1. Let's do, well, since I see my dad right there, let's do dad jokes.
All right, dad jokes.
Okay, Ram, let's start with you.
Oh, thank you, Sita. Thank you. So guys, tell me something. Why did the mushroom go to the party?
To be in a soup?
No, Ravan, come on. Okay, I'll tell you. Because he's a fun guy.
I can do way better than that.
Oh, really? You can do better?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Way better.
Okay.
Ever been to Subway?
Oh, yeah. Right
Have you
here,
ever been to
downstairs.
Subway?
LSE, yeah.
Okay. So, when you have a Subway sandwich, there are 2 layers of bread.
Right.
What is the one at the bottom called and what is the one at the top called?
Dude, they're bread buns.
I know you are too lame to answer this. Let it be.
Top bread.
I'll tell you. Okay. So the bottom is called Ishq.
Okay.
The top is called Rub.
Rub. Okay. Ishq rub.
Yes. This is based on the Bollywood movie Tal. We know. नीचे इश्क है, ऊपर रब है, इन दोनों के बीच में सब है.
Oh my god. Wow. You know what? I could totally top that. I could totally top that.
All right.
Watch me. All right, so tell me guys, why do seagulls fly over the sea? I mean, think about it. If they flew over the bay, wouldn't they be called bagels?
That was a good one. But I got better.
Oh,
Way
something better.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Imagine you are on a boat.
On a boat.
You are on a boat in middle of the ocean with nothing around you.
Nothing.
Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
Ah.
And you have 2 cigarettes in your hand.
Two cigarettes.
Yeah.
2 cigarettes. Okay.
Yeah. And you have to light one of them.
One of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
How would you do that?
How do we do that?
Let it be. Let it be. I'll tell you.
Okay.
There are 4 ways of doing it.
All right.
On a boat with nothing around you.
Okay.
The first one, you have 2 cigarettes.
Right.
Take the first one
Okay.
while the second one is still watching.
Right.
Now praise the first one.
Okay.
Praise some more.
Okay.
Praise the first one even more.
Okay.
Now the second one will start burning out of jealousy.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
Wait, there's a second
All
one.
right. Not bad. Not bad.
We are not done yet.
Okay.
Okay. Ever watch cricket?
Oh yeah, of course. Go Team India. Sachin. Virat.
All right.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you take one cigarette
Okay.
and throw it in the air
Throw it in the air.
and then catch it.
Catch it.
According to ESPN and Star Sports, catches win matches.
Wow. Oh, my God. Okay.
Okay, third one. Third way of lighting that cigarette.
Okay.
You are on a boat, right?
Yep.
Middle of the ocean.
Right.
Take one cigarette and throw it in the water.
Throw it in water.
Now the boat will become lighter.
Lighter? Okay.
Yeah.
You know, Sita, just please get my bow and arrow from the back.
Before you kill me, there's a 4th way of doing it.
Okay. Fine.
So
Fine.
you are surrounded by water.
Yeah.
Take some water,
Take some water.
drop it, drop by drop back.
Okay.
According to Bollywood movie Mohra,
Okay.
we know टिप टिप बरसा पानी पानी ने आग लगाई.
Oh my God, please get this man off this stage right now.
Yeah, can we just kick him off the
Please.
stage? Please.
Wow, okay.
Okay. It's really funny though, guys.
Sita, you're supposed to be taking my side here.
Yeah. But think of the song he just sang. If you literally translate it from Hindi to English, he's saying tip, tip, dropping water. This water is set on fire. Like, how can water set on fire?
I
This is
don't know.
too funny. It has to go to Robin.
Oh my God, this is so not fair.
Everything
This
is
lame,
fair
this
in
is
love and
lame.
war.
No. Oh please.
Moving on then. So, for round 2, speaking of, tip, tip, dropping water, I think it's safe to say we should do Hindi to English song translations. Right, guys?
All right.
Hey, I can't hear you,
Hindi
right,
to
guys?
English translation.
Okay, so let's start with Robin because he won the last round. Let's start with Aati Nahi, Aati Nahi.
Okay.
खूबसूरत हो तुम हंसी हो मगर माफ करना तुम वो नहीं हो जो याद आती है मगर आती नहीं सामने है पर नजर आती नहीं.
All right, this is going to be awesome.
Okay.
You are beautiful and you are funny. You are still not the one I am looking for.
Okay.
You are almost there, but not coming, not coming, not coming, not coming.
Dude, are you constipated?
Oh, come on.
What is this?
Okay,
Wow. Okay.
I think it's Ram's turn now. So let's get some Himish Rishamya up in here.
All right, this is for you, Himesh. Only for you.
Oh, my Lord.
Song first. Song first. Damn, I was so excited for this. Okay. So maybe. Ravan, stop interfering me! No!
If you are going to do it right, wait. Don't start, wait.
What is this, Sita?
I didn't choose him, he just came along.
Ah, thank you, thank you. Finally, one of those 10 heads came in handy. Thank you, thank you. Let me do this. Oh, my Lord, your pleasure, my talks, my memories, lonely nights, your pleasure, my stories, my breath, my moanings, your pleasure. All right.
Which one do you guys think had the better translation? Really? I'm biased though, so I choose Ram.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, wait. Before we move on to the next round, Ravan, I think you should say it.
Are you sure?
I think you should, otherwise it'll look really, really bad.
Only for you.
Yeah, just so we don't look bad.
Not for you.
Yeah,
Only
just
for
so we
you.
don't look bad, yeah.
I'm not bad. I'm just drawn that way.
Okay.
fine.
Moving on then.
Moving on.
So for round 3, which is our last and final round, we're gonna have a dance off.
All right, dance off.
So we're gonna
I got
have 3 songs, and for each song, both of these boys have to do the signature step. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's
Sounds
start with the first song. Soundproof.
भोली सूरत दिल के खोटे नाम बड़े और दर्शन छोटे भोली सूरत दिल के
What is
खोटे
this?
नाम
I don't know.
Seriously.
दर्शन
It's my fault.
दर्शन छोटे
Come on, we need a song of this generation, please.
Okay,
What
okay,
is
okay.
this?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
come on.
next song, next song.
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम
Okay, break it up, guys. This is not a fighting competition. Okay, so it looks like Robin got one and Ram got one. Let's see who gets the third song.
Third song,
Let's hit
third
it.
song.
This is so not fair.
Ravan, everything's fair in love and war, remember?
Well, after seeing round 1, I really thought this was going to be a hard decision to make between Ram and Ravin. But this dance-off just made it 10 times easier, right? So I think the winner of this competition is Ram. Okay, I can't hear you. I need to be like 10 times louder in here, guys. It's better.
All right, Sita, you can come. We can go home now, finally. Hey, Sita, Senosita, come on.
side hug, but that's it.
Fine, fine, fine.
Good talk.
All right, good
Okay,
talk,
well,
good
thank
talk.
you for watching, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
What bye?
Wait, what?
This is a Bollywood drama. It has to end with a song.
Okay, fine, sure. Let's do it. Sita, watch us.
वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो वो मेरा प्यार मेरा दर्द मुझे लौटा दो नींद जितनी भी मैंने खोई है चैन जितना भी मैंने खोया है वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो कोई दिल में दस्तक यहाँ कौन आया हम पे ही किसने हरा रंग डाला हम पे ही किसने हरा रंग डाला खुशी ने हमारी हमें मार डाला मार डाला मार डाला हाँ मार डाला
आ जाओ